Hi, boys and girls. So what you are going to do, you watched the slides and watched the videos. So I'm just going to walk you through 1 through 2. I think you will understand this, and I just wanted to show you. So first, let's put our name on the top. And then you're going to get your drawing tool, and since it says 3/10, remember the numerator is on the top and the denominator is on the bottom. The denominator tells you how many parts the shape is broken into, and then the top is going to tell you how many parts you need to shade. So we need to shade 3. So even if you just draw a line, however you want to do it, 2, 3. So 3/10, and I want you to say it out loud to yourself. So this one is 7/10. So again, the numerator is telling you how many parts need to be shaded. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now, I would like you to finish this and then submit it so I can check it. The next one is identifying hundredths. So, again, make sure we write our name so I know whose paper it is. And then, again, the numerator is going to tell you how many parts to shade in. Now, remember, when you look at this whole column, there's 10 of them. So if there's 21 hundredths, we can count by tens. 10, 20. So I'm going to color in these two because it's easier instead of counting the little ones. And then there is 1 left. 21 hundredths. Okay, again, 85 hundredths. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I know I need to stop here. So I'm going to color it in. Oops, try your best. Then 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I would like you to do the rest and then submit it to me. If you have any questions, you can email me. Have a good day.